trying to get you out of your zone. Don't let him do it, bruh. About him too. He looked at me too. I know he did. Okay. He seen one of them things on Messenger, and it's a girl doing yoga, and it says, "What she say? What she say?" And you keep looking at it, and then a dog comes into the screen, and he roll over, and the dog got his nuts in front of the thing, and it's that dude, the ugly dude that said, "Got him." He said, "What she got?" He said, "These nuts," and he went, "Got him." Oh yeah, I done seen that one before. Oh Lord, my boy them took pictures with that dude in Vegas. He charging people to take pictures with him, man. How you get famous off YouTube and all you say is "Got him"? With his ugly ass. You know, that boy rich now too. Not wealthy, but he rich. Oh my God, I believe it. He talking about who ain't got no bitches. I got all the bitches. Dude, I send that clip to my little brother all the time. Do you hear me? Man, I'm like, if he can get a fine female, I don't want to hear no nigga talking about he can't get no woman. Y'all tripping, man. Do you see that nigga look like he been chewing on rock sandwiches? This piece say, next to 1 mile. Nigga got so much space between his teeth. You hear me? Oh. Yeah, I'm like, what the heck? Fine. They want us the fame and the fortune. It's not the fame and the fortune like that that's on. I seen his face. I was on the floor. I was crying, laughing at him. I laughed at him like I laughed at right, that shit was funny. Shaq's stupid anyway. And Shaq coughed when he hit that hot chip. That nigga coughed, looked like his eyes was about to pop out of his head. His eyes look like Wendy Williams' eyes. I bet you $100 that nigga was shit fire when he went to the bathroom. He paid somebody to stand there with a fire extinguisher, you hear me? Come on, because that's a big nigga. That boy said 2% milk saved my life. Oh! He was drinking that little bottle of water, he almost sucked the plastic in his mouth, you hear me? Like, fool, stop drinking water, you're making it worse. That's like putting gasoline on fire. He didn't know no better. Kenny Smith, he's an instigator. No water yet, my brother. I was like, man, see, Kenny too. Kenny said he takes the dust. You know, you get the dust off the chip on your fingers. He licked his fingers. He said, man. Just the dust off of the chip. He gonna tell Chuck, I bet you $5 I eat a chip without making a face. Nigga, you didn't make no face. You almost coughed your eyeballs out. Well, they say you really can't even look. Because if you even look at it, like, of course it gets in your nostrils or whatever, but they say if you look at it.
Break.
No chip that's in a coffin casket box. You hear me? I don't want that. It's either. Hey, I gotta see. I'm gonna go in Walmart. They say they got it at Walmart. I'm gonna check and see because I want to look. I just want to see. I am not gonna even touch the box. I'm gonna take a picture of it in the store. They got them out. I googled it when I was at home in Fairfield, and I said, what store close to me carries the Carolina Reaper chip? And it said Walmart. That one chip about $25.
Hey, you copy me?
One chip. It's in the casket. Inside a foil steel pouch is one big chip. It should have small print on the box. Eat this at your own risk because your asshole will fall out.